I'm out here at Don Pedro. Today is the second tournament of MKA Motherlode Series. The first one was in McClure, and today is the second one. And to combine those two, the top 20 will go to TOC at Legendary Kells Bass Ranch.
Yeah. The last two times I got hung up, almost lost the rod.
Oh no!
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah, we got a handful of people going that way, and the rest of them is going this way.
I was hoping they were going to go that way. If I had a pedal drive, I know right where I was going.
Where? Tell me.
You really want to know?
Alright, Kyle, I'm gonna make it across.
Alright, good luck to you, my friend.
This side is not working out for me. So it's been about an hour and a half since the blast off. I haven't got a single bite yet on the south side of the lake. So I'm gonna go across to the north side, see if I can get on board. Oh, fish out. Yes. I think about 11 inches. Found the fish though. First fish, a little dink. That's a bite. Fish out. You're kidding me, lost it. Fish off. Yes, I'm on the board. I'm on the board. 13 and a quarter. On the board. Just a bite. Fish up. Good fish. Yes. Woo. Not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not bad. Let's see if I can get another one. Let's bite. Fish up. Little guy, 11 and a half. Smaller than I thought. Let's bite. Fish up. Feels small. Yeah, little thing. feel too bad. It's a keeper. 12 inches, just made it. So update, it's just about 10:30 right now. It's been 4 hours, and so far we caught 8 fish, 5 dinks, and 3 keepers. The biggest one was a 14.5 and 13.25 and 12 inches. So I got my small limit. Now it's time to upgrade. This fish. Fish up. Oh, I lost it. Dang it. Fish up. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. Number 9. $13. We got a 1-inch upgrade. Ready? Bite. Oh. Bite. Fish up. Yes. Yeah, buddy. It's an upgrade. Whew. On a drop shot. $14.5. Two 14.5 and a 13.25. Let's bite. Little one. Number 11. Let's bite. Fish up. This is upgrade. Fish up. Fish up. It's feisty though. About 4 inches. It's white. Fish up. I think 15. upgrade. For 17, no upgrade. Bite. Push up. Little thing. Bite. Push up. Come on, upgrade. No. Number 18, no upgrade. I gotta get back. So 118. I got 42 minutes to get back against the wind. Alright, let's go. Minutes left to get back. I still got quite a ways to go. I hope I make it on time.
Yes, it is.
Alright, thank you.
2 minutes is fair.
Alright. I just submitted my pictures and then I noticed that I messed up on one of the 14.5 fish, as you can see here. Without that, I mean, even with that, you know, I don't think I have a chance to get top 20. So what I just did is I submitted my 3 smallest fish. One thing I do regret is that I should have taken pictures of all the 12s or 12.25, 12.5 fish. That way I would have, you know, even smaller limit. But as of right now, I submitted 13.25, 13 and 12. So my total length is 38.25. One thing that is pretty unique about this Motherlode Series tournament is they give out prizes for smallest limit. So you have to catch 3 fish, but whoever got the smallest limit wins a little prize. So since I have no chance of getting into top 20, I'm going for the smallest limit and give myself a little prize. So let's see how it goes.
So we have from Fatty's Worms, we have Cash, future owner of Fatty's Worms. He will be handing out some drop shot weights, some brand new chatterbait type swim bait trailers that they just came out with. We've also got some wedge heads in here and some swing jigs, all kinds of really cool stuff. Fatty's Worms. All right, buddy, you gotta get those out.
484.
Oh! Winner! You gotta shake their hand and give them their prize, okay? So what we wanted to let you guys know is Brigham and myself, we're gonna be working together as far as working collaboratively to grow these circuits together. So over the next few over the next year, you're gonna see a lot of collaboration with us and just trying to work on bigger things together. So I'm supporting his circuit, he's supporting our circuit, and you'll see us down at your circuit.
Yep.
And the next one is on May
19th. It's Eastman. It's a local trophy lake. So if you guys have time to come out, it's gonna be freaking awesome, man.
So go on to his Facebook page, CBKF, and he puts on a great tournament, low cost, fantastic. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you. Yep, thank you. Very important. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. And you're also getting some hand poured meat from Mary Port. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. How